Hello guys, my name is Alan and this time I would like to share one of the most significant projects I created as a student. Its name is Estudiantil and is a platform that allows students to find a school that matches their career interests in my hometown. It is in Spanish, but I'm going to explain you what it does, and some of its features are: find a school or career according to your interests, find an apartment near your school, take an innovative vocational orientation test, and read articles with statistics on salaries and job offers in each industry. So let's walk through the actual website. At the very beginning, students will be asked to select the educational level they are looking for. For example, a postgrad if they want to study a master's degree, or college if they need a bachelor's degree. They can also look for a high school and it will show slightly different options, but I think that the most value will be provided for people looking for an university. In that case, they will be asked to select the knowledge area first. And that's precisely the main reason I decided to create this website, because I noticed that many people don't have a clear idea about the specific career they want to study, but they definitely have a lean toward one area. So we did research and categorized all careers in 10 different areas, which are health, computing, education, politics, business, engineering, arts and design, environment, media, and services. Users are able to see examples of careers that belong to each area if they hover any of these options. In my case, I'm going to select engineering, and then I will get recommendations for different universities sorted by the number of careers that match my preferred knowledge area and distance to my current location. Users can select any of those suggestions and they will be able to see the full educative offer of that school. Basic information is provided like duration, modality, and cost, but we also included external links to allow students to see the full details and apply directly on their websites. However, we enable a contact form inside the platform for an easier and faster connection between students and schools. You may notice that it also contains a list of language courses taught at that school and a media gallery to see the photos of the actual campus. Students can continue exploring different options, and after they make up their minds, in order to make things easier for them, we have an option to find available apartments for rent near that school. After selecting that, users are redirected so that they can see the full details of each listing, including price, location, distance, description, and photos. Landlords can publish their properties directly inside the platform, but when there are not enough offers, I run a script I created myself to crawl information about available apartments from different websites and share them inside this page. As I mentioned before, I also created the only vocational orientation test that evaluates students' aptitudes and skills by playing video games, and it suggests a career based on an AI algorithm. Explaining this feature calls for a different video, so I will move to the next one. And basically, we have a blog in which I write articles from time to time to help students by sharing some tips, but more importantly, by sharing statistics and data about the labor market in each area, so that they can know what to expect as a salary if they decide to study X career. Those articles are pretty interactive and they have a few polls as well. In order to handle all the information in a scalable and collaborative manner, I created a management tool. And this is the way it works. After an administrator enters his credentials, he or she can see the full list of schools for each level and edit the one he wants. In the admin panel, they can edit the general information like the logo, name, and website, the educative offer and any relevant details like the cost and the important due dates, add some photographies, update the location and address, and edit the list of careers and masters they offer, including the duration, modality, certifications, and curriculum. They can edit the list of languages they teach as well. And in order to automate this process, we also allow admins to upload a compatible spreadsheet to bulk create a list of schools. On the other hand, we also have a custom admin panel I created from scratch to write articles in the blog. It is pretty user-friendly and it supports rich content, categories, uploading images, and custom SEO-friendly URLs. Of course, we do have a user management section with two roles, admins and schools, and the main difference is that schools can only edit the information of the schools they created. We do have other advanced settings to manipulate the look and feeling of some modules of the website, but those are more likely to be applied by a developer. And finally, we have a section to moderate rentals ads so that we can see the details and photos before approving them and publishing them to final users. And that's all we have in the admin panel so far. We just reached the end of this video and the main objective was to share my idea and the overall result of the implementation. I would love to hear your feedback and any suggestions to improve the platform. Do you think that it may be useful or not? Are we missing any important feature? What do you think that may be the right business model? Please feel free to leave your comments, and I plan to create a different video to explain the current status of the platform, the things that I think that went well and the ones that we could have done better. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Thanks.